Hi, my name is Pallavi Chivarke, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about what phase currently I am in, what actually uh, my life looks like, and what kind of struggles I'm having right now in my life, so that my future self can see this video in future and can understand how far I have come from that time. I want to go back when I started my journey of doing business, figuring out how I am going to earn money, how I'm going to make money, and I want to talk more about what currently I am, and so that I can understand how far I have come. Because currently I'm in a phase where I feel demotivated. I feel like what I'm doing in my life. I feel like what exactly I should do in future so that I can be the place where I want. So I was in the ninth class and I was just so curious about the things that happens in media world, like how this video is coming on TV, how people are actually doing acting, how people are actually making this kind of animations, cartoons, and all. And I was so curious about that. And at that time, I was in a phase where I want to have a distraction so that I can think more about that. And from the very start, I was knowing about the thought transferring. Like I there was a guy in my school time who used to you know try to molest me. I mean, not, yeah, who used to actually tease me, who used to try to hit hard, like to, so that I can be his girlfriend. And he tried to touch me, he tried to try on me by any type. So I was really uncomfortable going to schools. I was very uncomfortable studying. I was actually getting a lot of trauma. I wasn't even knowing what trauma means at that time. I mean, I was just fucking scared of that particular time. And it used to be feel very heavy to tell anyone. And I'm come from a very orthodox family where I never felt like speaking about this will going to help me. Even I felt like this is going to be my fault, that I am getting ready, I am going school. It would be fault of me that I am fair, or I don't know. Like, I thought they will think like that, and I didn't tell anybody about this. And I used to just फील मैं ही अंदर अंदर दबा के रखती थी वो सारी चीज़ें. एंड टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट दैट थिंग, आई थॉट कि आई विल स्टार्ट समथिंग डिफरेंट that is not actually related to studies. I start hating studies because of that incident, because that was happening in school. So I don't know what my mindset became at that particular time, that I started thinking in a way where it's just because I'm studying in the school. If I will be not studying in the school, this guy will be not hitting on me. I was thinking like that, and unfortunately I had a hating thing in my brain for study, for men, for boys. I started hating a lot on this, and then I started learning about video editing. I just came through with something new, that is video editing. And I started journey of video editing because I want to learn. I was very curious. And then when understanding when I'm learning about video editing, how to do video editing with phone. I was not having a laptop again, so I started learning from the phone, very a small device of my father that was broken, old, and then I learned a video how to edit and all. Then I edit a video of me making a video of me. I don't have that video anymore, but yeah, I jumped a tiger by keyframing it, and understood how these things work. And then slowly I started watching more YouTube videos. I used to take phone to study to play games, but rather than that I used to watch YouTube videos. I watch a lot of videos on कैसे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं लैपटॉप के अंदर अगर रहता है तो कौन कौन से ऐप्स यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो अनकॉन्शियसली आई वाज लर्निंग मोर अबाउट कि लैपटॉप में कैसे अपन वीडियो एडिट कर सकते हैं. मैं मेरे पापा मम्मी से, मेरे दादा से बहुत जिद कर रही थी लैपटॉप दिला दो, लैपटॉप दिला दो, बट आई वॉज वेरी young according to them, so that they didn't buy me a laptop. So I was in a 10th standard, in initial or ending of the ninth or initial of the 10th, I don't remember. At that time I figured out what freelancing actually means, so I understood about freelancing. And then after understanding what actually freelancing is, how freelancing happens, from where we can get clients, I just started being curious about कि पैसे कैसे कमा सकते. सो आई स्टार्टेड फिगरिंग आउट कि हम पैसे कैसे बनाएं. मैंने रिसर्च किया हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑनलाइन, हाउ टू मेक मनी थ्रू वीडियो एडिटिंग, हाउ टू मेक मनी थ्रू स्किल्स दैट यू हैव. सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग जैसा कुछ भी होता है, थंबनेल डिज़ाइनिंग जैसा भी कुछ होता है, वीडियो एडिटिंग भी होता है, कॉपी राइटिंग भी होता है, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट भी होता है. तो मैंने वो चीज़ें धीरे धीरे फिगर आउट करी एंड मुझे पता चला कि ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं. एंड वी कैन लर्न दिस स्किल्स एंड वी कैन एक्चुअली परफॉर्म, वी कैन एक्चुअली गिव सर्विसेज टू अदर्स. सो आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग वीडियो एडिटिंग मोर प्रॉम्प्टली, एंड आई यूज्ड Fiverr, Hired. I didn't got client from 1-2 months when I started. So I started feeling like ये तो झूठ है, नहीं मिलते हैं क्लाइंट, सब पागल बना रहे हैं. Then suddenly one day somebody on Hired messaged me that I'm looking for a video editor, will you be able to edit, and my budget is 200. I was like 200 rupees का एक वीडियो, and how you are going to pay me? So they told me I can transfer you through UPI or a bank if you have, I can give you advance if you want. So I said like okay, we can start. And then I took my mom's bank account, my mom's PAN card, my mom's Aadhaar card, and then I make a मैंने घर वालों से छुपा के बैंक अकाउंट बनाया थ्रू पेटीएम बैंक्स. एट दैट टाइम पेटीएम बैंक्स वॉज देयर, अभी तो बंद हो गया, बट दैट टाइम देयर वॉज. सो आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग बैंक अकाउंट ऑफ माई मॉम विदाउट टेलिंग हर और विदाउट टेलिंग माई फादर. मेरी मॉम ने मुझसे बहुत पूछा कि कैसे क्या करना है, तो लगे जस्ट इन अ प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द स्कूल, सो आई विल बी नीडिंग यू, आई विल बी मेकिंग यू अ फेस एंड ऑल. सो लाइक दैट आई did the verification and all, and then I completed the project. Half payment I received, like 100 rupees he sent me, and 100 rupees after the project. I edited my first video with a lot of iterations that client has given me, and then I delivered. And that was my first earning of 200 rupees. And what I did of 200 rupees, you know, मैंने थोड़ा सा प्रसाद चलाया भगवान का, and I go and I ate momos. At that time I used to like momos very much. Like momos is something that I used to love at that particular time, and from there the obsession, the motivation started to earn more. And then the same client gave me more videos. So he gave me 2000 rupees for 10 videos. Okay, so I edited those 10 videos. At that particular time I was having my exams, and some test exams was there, that was there. I was not focusing that much, so I was having exams. I completed that project and then delivered also, and I received 2000 rupees of payment. I was like so happy about that. Then I thought ki like this is something that can work and I can actually find clients. Then I started looking for more clients. I started hitting more messages, and then I come to come one video of YouTube where that person said the more you outreach to the people, the more the there are more chances to get clients. Okay, then I understood like I can outreach more, as many people as I'm going to reach out, as many clients I'm going to get. So I reach out as many people as I can from different email IDs, from different accounts, from WhatsApp, from Facebook. I was not knowing to whom I'm reaching out, but I'm just reaching out. Then I got one client. He was CA, and currently he's having a very big name. So I worked with him when I was in 10th class. Okay, 10th or 11th class, I don't remember, but yeah. So I worked in that time, and I made around with that particular client around 10,000 rupees. I have worked with him almost six and a half months with him, and after that I actually something happened with the client or with something that we stopped working, and I was having also the final board, so I started focusing on my exams and all. Then I stopped working on. Then for the six and a half months I didn't work anything. I was not having client. Then in 11th class I was having, that time Corona hit, and I started focusing on more that how can I earn money, how can I make more money through this my skill set. But I figured out a lot of ways I can learn website and all, but I was not having laptop, so I did only video editing. Then I started. I was not that pro in video editing. I just know how to edit in mobile phone. I was not having that much. So accidentally actually I got some of the very big clients are paying me 2 to 3,000 rupees for one video, and that was a long video, 6 to 8 minutes. And accidentally I also connected with these video editors who are doing video editing from the last couple of years. So I connected with them and I talked with them. I just make a connection, I make them friends, and I ask them like, can you do a video editing for my client? I have a lot of projects, so I can give you. We will do half of payment. So he said, yeah, okay, we can do. So of the 2,000 video, I used to give him 1,200, and I used to keep the left one. So 800 was my profit. So I did this repetitively. Like I used to bring clients, the editor used to edit. At that particular time I used to don't know कि this is something a agency model looks like. And later after 1.5 years I understood, oh, this is what actually agency looks like. Oh, this is something agency model, I am doing it. I used to think this is not something I figured out that nobody else can do. I was so I was so egoistic at that particular time. I have figured out something great that nobody can do, but that was actually done by many people. Um, then I watched Iman Ghazi ka video that how he's running agency, how he's doing it. So at that particular time I was having 12 clients. Okay, and I'm not delivering to any project. I was just keeping the profit. At sometimes I was keeping 50%. At sometimes I'm keeping 80%. At sometimes I'm keeping 20% according to the. I go to video editor. I ask how much you charge, and I pay that, and I try to negotiate. I pay and I try to negotiate कि इतना है, इतना बजट है करके, थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे बोल के. And then they used to charge, and okay, fine, let's go on. Then later in first year of my college, when I figured out that this is what agency model look like, I started my agency. When I started my agency, I was having good client, okay, and I used to get more clients. Then I got international clients also. They pay more, and then I understood कि okay, freelancer के साथ negotiate करके कम price पे भी कर सकते हैं ताकि हमारा profit margin बचे. So I started negotiating with freelancers also, and धीरे मैंने चीज़ करने शुरू हुई. And then I felt boring to run this agency वाला चीज़. I felt boring to do video editing वाला stuff. Then I slowly stopped doing it. Then one of my client was looking for a proper team. One of my client was looking for a proper agency thing to start his own, so that he don't have to build a complete team. So there were couple of video editors with whom I was working, and I just established a very good agency. Then I sold that agency to one of my client only with my teammates and all. I was not knowing what it is actually, how things work out, कैसे लीगल चीज़ होती है, कैसे क्या होती है. I just did. Okay. एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई फिगर आउट कि क्या चीज़ें हम कर सकते हैं. तो मुझे वहाँ से पता चला कि हाँ, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग जैसा कुछ होता है, वेब डेवलपमेंट जैसा कुछ होता है. नाउ इन फर्स्ट ईयर आई बॉट माई फर्स्ट लैपटॉप. ओके. फिर धीरे धीरे उस लैपटॉप से मैंने और चीज़ें फिगर आउट करना शुरू हुई. अंडरस्टूड वेब डेवलपमेंट, थोड़ा वेब डेवलपमेंट वगैरह सीखा. एंड आई वॉज इन BC साइबर सिक्योरिटी. फिर मैंने उसके बाद में पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करना सीखा. पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग क्या होती है, कैसे होता है. आई ट्राइड टू बिल्ड माई ओन पर्सनल ब्रांड. ओके. ऑल्सो बिफोर ऑल्सो आई स्टार्टेड माई यूट्यूब चैनल. आई वॉज हैविंग ऑलमोस्ट 5000 समथिंग सब्सक्राइबर्स. बट कुछ हुआ था, उसकी वजह से मैंने डिलीट कर दिया वो यूट्यूब चैनल. बिकॉज आई मीन लाइक आई वॉज वेरी अर्ली इन द स्टेज एंड आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग क्या करना चाहिए. whenever I used to feel down, I used to do something stupid. तो यूट्यूब चैनल का अर्निंग आने वाला था एंड आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग. मेरे को लगता था क्या करूँगी इस यूट्यूब चैनल का, क्या है, मतलब नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, डिलीट मार दिया मैंने. एंड फिर बहुत टाइम के बाद मुझे पता चला कि अरे यूट्यूब से तो पैसे कमा सकते हैं ना. ऑलमोस्ट आई वॉज नियर टू हैव दैट मोनेटाइजेशन, बट आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी बैड अबाउट दैट. एंड देन फिर धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग फॉर अदर क्लाइंट्स. आई रीच आउट टू अदर पीपल. लोग सोशल मीडिया मैनेजमेंट बोलते थे, मैं उसको पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग बोलती थी. तो आई रीच आउट टू पीपल. 1 or 2 क्लाइंट केम. आई ट्राइड टू डिलीवर देम, बट वो थोड़े क्लाइंट्स फेलियर रहे. देन आई ट्राइड टू गेट मोर क्लाइंट्स एंड ट्राई टू डिलीवर. देन फॉर कपल ऑफ क्लाइंट्स, बिकॉज दे वर वेरी गुड इन वॉट दे डू, we were able to deliver the results and I was able to earn money. So that was the first time that I earned a lot of money and I learned a lot. So at that particular month I earned almost 8 lakhs at that particular time. And slowly I invested into other things. I did a lot of stupid stuff, but I don't want to talk about that. So that was a time where I learned, I earned, and I figured out कैसे क्या करना है. Almost in the college stage, I was just doing it for casually कि कैसे कैसे करते हैं, क्या करते हैं. And then my college complete, my parents started telling me that you have to do a job, you go and have a job. I was having a good skill set, good mindset, good communication skill, and I know how to do sales, I know how to do things. ऑल्दो आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग कि एक्चुअली में चीज़ें कैसे फिगर आउट होती है. एक्चुअली आई वॉज नोइंग दैट, बट उतना नहीं जितना पता होना चाहिए. देन आई स्टार्टेड अप्लाइंग फॉर अ जॉब. आई केम टू हैदराबाद. करंटली आई एम इन हैदराबाद. सो आई केम लास्ट ईयर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टाइम ओनली, in June I came to Hyderabad. And at that time I was in a situation where how can I do, what can I do, and I was into AI agency, AI automation. That time also things was not working out. कैसे क्या चीज़ें करनी है and मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था. तो from the last 1 and 2 years the situation is almost down only. So from last year only, so I joined as a growth manager in a company called Mediatives. It was a marketing agency. At that agency I worked. Okay, I was having a very good salary and I worked. Okay, and I worked for like till January. And in January I resigned because I was not able to do job. Like job is something that is very hectic and office job is something I can't manage with what I want to do. So even I was doing a job, I was trying to figure out कि मैं कैसे freelancing और अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ, कैसे मेरा business को और अच्छे से run कर सकती हूँ. So I was like, I sometimes I felt like I'm very over passionate about what I want to do. So I left the job, and then I started from the January. I started focusing on my own thing. But this time when I started focusing on the thing that I want to build, I was not thinking of very small thing that I want to get a 10,000 का project or 2,000 का video day. I was expecting more. Okay, I was expecting big projects. I was expecting big things. I was planning continuously what I have to do. How can I make $1 billion? How can I do? I mean like वो होता है ना कि एक फेज़ की आपको समझना, आपको ऐसा लगता है कि यू कैन मेक $1 billion इन 2 to 3 years, बट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट कैसे क्या करना है. देन अभी करंटली देर इज़ एन स्पेस ऑफ AI एंड आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग कैसे क्या AI को कर सकते हैं, कैसे AI सीख सकते हैं, कैसे प्रोडक्ट्स बना सकते हैं. तो आई अंडरस्टूड लवेबल कैसा होता है, आई अंडरस्टूड इमर्जेंट, N10, प्लॉट कोड कैसे चलता है, कर्सर कैसे चलता है. सो आई कम फ्रॉम साइबर सिक्योरिटी का बैकग्राउंड, तो आई नो डेवलपमेंट अ बिट. आई नो हाउ टू कोड, आई नो हाउ टू develop product. So I built this product called Social Persona. So the product name was Persona AI. I was not getting the domain, so we named as a Social Persona. Now what happened is I tried to make this product. मैं सेल्स करने के बजाय मैं 3-4 महीने से प्रोडक्ट ही बना रही थी. मैं सोशल पर्सोना बनाऊंगी, बना के क्लाइंट्स को अट्रैक्ट करूँगी फॉर पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग. आई वॉज डूइंग पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग फ्रॉम 2 to 3 years, and that time I earned a very good amount of money because that thing was very hyped. Okay, and that time I was having a very good team also. I was having very good connections. But when I tried to restart, I thought कि I can do this same thing. I was very confusing. Should I start into AI? Should I start into personal branding? I was thinking like, if I start into personal branding, I will continue only personal branding. I'm not going to focus on something else. Okay, and if I start on AI, I'm going to focus on AI only. But things not work out how you think. If you are just going to plan, you will be always plan only, and you're going to fail in execution. So you need to first execute, and you have to see where the failures are coming, and then you have to do. So I planned, and then I started making product. I started focusing more on product because that looks thrilling. Like actually building a product actually feels thrilling, and when it feels thrilling, you focus more on thrilling things rather than the boring stuff. One of the most boring work in business is reaching out to people, scrapping the data, connecting with new people, and listening no a lot of times. So my mind don't want to do that, but that was what need in a business. And I, for the first 6 months, I ignored कि like नहीं ऐसे नहीं आएगा, I will make content and I will do this and I will do that. I still did sales, I still outreach, but I was not doing it consistently. I was just doing it कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, करते हैं. And I found a lot of good friends here. I who supports me, who can tell me चीज़ें कैसे चलती है. तो I found these friends, कैसे क्या चीज़ें हैं. Then I understood कि प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करने से नहीं होता है, मार्केट फिट होना उसका बहुत ज़रूरी है. ऑल्दो इट इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट अगर एक तरीके से देखा जाए, बट इफ़ इट इज़ यूज्ड बाय एजेंसीज, इफ इट्स हैव अ सेलिंग पॉइंट, बट वो मार्केट में उतना बड़ा इम्पैक्ट नहीं लेकर आएगा जितना बड़ा लेकर आना चाहिए, जितना बड़ा मैं सोच रही थी. ओके, सो आई एम स्टिल कन्फ्यूज अबाउट दैट प्रोडक्ट कि शुड दैट प्रोडक्ट इन अ मार्केट और नॉट. तो आई फिगर आउट कि नहीं, अभी नहीं करना चाहिए. करंटली माई नीड इज़ टू मेक कैश फ्लो. मुझे पैसा कमाना चाहिए, मुझे पैसा आना चाहिए. सो करंटली आई एम इन अ फेज वेयर आई नीड टू अर्न मनी मोर टू हैव माई सर्वाइवल कॉस्ट रेडी टू डू थिंग्स. ओके, सो अभी आई लिव इन अ PG in Hyderabad. Okay, my monthly expense here is 12,000 per month, and it's not like that I'm not able to earn that much amount of money. I'm earning that much, but it's not that sufficient, it's not that enough to enough according to my expectations what I want. Okay, so I am currently focusing. I'm currently also figuring out where should I do, how should I earn more, how should I get more. It was a very tough decision to tell every single thing in this one video, but I am just telling from the journey from where I started. In the peak, I was growing so fast, and currently, it's a situation where I don't know what I'm doing, how I'm doing. You know, मैं हम लोग दिन भर काम करते हैं, रात में भी काम करते हैं, फिर उसके बाद जब नींद आती है तब सो जाते हैं. Sometimes I feel like what I'm doing is actually something that is going to reward me or not, and sometimes I feel like he, this is a journey where I will be learning, I will be struggling, I will be knowing कि मैं कहाँ हूँ, कहाँ से जा रही हूँ. This is going to make me more humble about what egoistic person I was before. So I thought कि देखते हैं चीज़ें कैसे जाएगी. But now I'm in a situation where I have to focus on the things that I want to build, that I want to grow. Lately I'm more focusing on one particular thing to grow what I want to do. So the one thing is sales. I want to crack sales. How we can connect to as many as people, we can close as many as people for our services what we provide, how we can actually deliver best to the clients who are coming in. So here I'm doing it, and also I'm trying to build my personal brand at the back of the site so that I can attract more inbound leads. It's not that tough what I'm doing right now, but it's not that easy in the situation where I am in. I haven't told this to anybody with my friend, but from the last couple of months I'm feeling lately very heavy. I don't know what feeling is this, but I'm feeling like quitting, but I'm not going to quit, I know. A girl who was having a lot of privileges or leverage at her home, and never felt like कि मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है. Is feeling like that, feels bad about it. And from the last 2 to 3 years I haven't taken any money from my parents. So even if I need money, I can't go to my parents and I can't take money with them because I haven't told them कि मैंने जॉब छोड़ दी है. I don't want to tell them like कि मैं struggle कर रही हूँ. I want to tell this story to them when I am successful, when I am having a good amount of money, when I am able to deliver them what they want. Because I am not sure if they will be able to support me in a way I want. I don't want to look like a failure to them. I don't want to be a boਝ on them. If I have took a step where I have to earn money, I have to grow, then of course I only have to figure out how I am going to do it. And I believe on myself. I did before, I'm going to do it again. And this time I'm going to do it. I'm going to build a massive wealth. I know. 1 year ago I was in the same situation but in a different scenarios. I was living with my Masi and all. That I don't really want to live with them. It's not like they are bad, but they are very too good to be true, and I don't want to be there. Currently I'm in Hyderabad again in the same time, but currently I'm in the same situation as I was in the last year. It's not like that I haven't grown as in a knowledge basis. I have grown in knowledge basis, but in terms of the financially, I have to grow still. I know it happens brick by brick. It is going to happen again. It's going to happen by the time. But now I have to learn how to do financial. I have to learn how to manage finances. I have to know how to manage, money, so that I can save money. I haven't saved money, ₹2 ₹7 में खर्च देती थी। और मैं मेरे मम्मी पापा को कुछ दिला दे देती थी या फिर मैं कुछ खरीद दे देती थी। बट नाउ इट्स इनफ। आई एम गोइंग टू फोकस more on building wealth, building cash, more cash. Sometimes I feel like if I will be able to work out on the things that I want. I know currently I am struggling, but I also believe on myself that I will be able to do it. I never felt कि मैं कर पाऊँगी। मैं हमेशा अपने आप से पूछती हूँ कि मैं कर पाऊँगी कि नहीं कर पाऊँगी, बट इट ऑलवेज somebody inside me, कोई तो है अंदर से जो मुझे बोलता है कि तू कर पाएगी। I mean somebody inside me always said that कि तू नहीं कर पाएगी तो कौन कर पाएगा। Whenever I feel that I should give up, somebody inside me say me that no, you have to do, you have to work on what you wanted. गिव अप करने मुझे कोई, मेरे अंदर से कोई तो है जो मुझे गिव अप ही नहीं करने देता। मुझे बोलता है कि जस्ट वर्क, यू विल फिगर आउट बाय द टाइम। अभी मुझे नहीं पता है कि मैं कैसे अपने ड्रीम्स को कम ट्रू कर पाऊँगी। मुझे नहीं पता है कि मेरी जो स्किल सेट है इज़ दैट इनफ, बिकॉज करंटली आई एम इन अ फेज वेयर आई एम वेरी डाउन। आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग। I know what I'm doing actually, but I'm not sure if this is something that can make me where I wanna be. But I know I will. I know. क्योंकि अगर मैंने पहले पैसे कमाया एक्सीडेंटली तो फोकस से तो मैं और अच्छा पैसा कमा सकती हूँ, और मैं कमाऊँगी भी। आज 14 जून है and 14 June 2026 I'm making this video, and I'm strongly feeling that I'm going to come back at this video and I'm going to see when I'm going to be at the success point where I will be having money, wealth, where I will be building wealth, where I will be having wealth, and I will be growing. ऐसा नहीं कि इतने सालों में मैंने कुछ पाया नहीं। मैंने मेरा पहला लैपटॉप खरीदा, दैट इज़ मैकबुक, विद माई ओन मनी। और तो एक EMI पे है, बट वो भर भी तो मैं ही रही हूँ, बट ठीक है। और मैं खुद से रह रही हूँ। आई एम फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट बट आई एम इंडिपेंडेंट विथ माई place, thoughts. Wherever I want to go, I can go. Whoever I want to talk, I can talk. I'm not dependent on my parents. Currently, I'm 21. I have my whole life ahead. I can bet a lot. I can take risk a lot. I can do whatever I want to do. I will do it. You know, you damn girl. I know I'm going to do it. I was feeling so down before I was making this video, but currently I'm feeling so motivated on what I want to do. I'm just having a clear path idea कि मुझे कैसे क्या करना है। It's good to talk to you, you know. I have grown as a person. I have grown as a human. I have grown by the knowledge, by the realization. I have grown a lot, and now I'm going to grow more. That's it for this video. I love you, my future self. I love you, Palak, and I trust you that you are going to do it. Just focus on yourself, focus on your health, focus on your charm, focus on your beauty, focus on your career. Just go and surrender and just don't focus on the outcome, but just detach from the outcome and don't run for money, run for work. Do the work and see how you are going to earn. I love you so much. You are just a great person. I know you are going to do it. I know sometimes the life is so tough. The part is you have sometimes things are difficult, but not always. Not always the situation is going to be same as now. Remember Krishna says, ये वक्त भी गुजर जाएगा. So currently, wherever you are, however you are, and whatever situation you are in, trust me, the situation is going to change. Okay, this time is going to change. Don't be egoistic. Be humble to everyone. Be kind to everyone, and be good, happy. And always remember that I trust you. I know that you can do it. Just go and work for it. Just go. Just focus on your health. Go, just do it. I love you so much. Bye bye.